Welcome to Japanese Class 101. Today, we will learn about various buildings that you could find in a town. In a few moments, various buildings would appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those buildings in Japanese. Try to repeat after me. Kukou, kukou. Cafe, cafe. 病院、病院。レストラン、レストラン。アパート、アパート。学校、学校。家、家。銀行、銀行。妖怪、妖怪。Now it's your turn to try. These same buildings will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Japanese or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.